Hi, I just thought I'd bring you to today one of our little secrets in Scarborough that's hidden in plain sight like so many are. This is an old World War II air raid shelter. I'm guessing there were dozens of these throughout the town, if not a lot more. So yeah, this is obviously dating back to the Second World War. I'll try and get some video of inside of it. Unfortunately, I haven't brought my torch with me, so I don't know how good the video will be inside. But yeah, let's have a little look. So I actually thought that this site had been sealed up years ago. I was quite pleased this morning when I came to have a look at it to find that it's still open. So you come down the steps into the actual shelter itself. Obviously you've got graffiti on the walls. So this is right next to B&M on Seamer Road, next to the old Edgell estate. As you come down, you can see it's a maximum of what, 4 or 5 foot wide. I'm guessing it goes on for about 35, maybe 40 feet. I have to measure that. Very, very low light in here. Can't really see much, I don't think now, but if you come down, you've actually got a brick wall, and then around the corner there's a little place. I'm guessing there might have been a loo or something there, and then there's actually, I don't know if you can see this, let's see if we can get a better light. You can actually see there's a ladder there coming up, and there's a little protrusion on top of the shelter. I'm guessing that ladder leads up there, and maybe the more braver people would stick their head up there to see if the air raid had finished. But yeah, if you want to come down and have a look, this shelter is right next to B&M, next to the Mere at Scarborough. Come down and have a look, and I'll put some photographs up so you can see what I see. So that's been borrowed Heather's phone, so I've got a bit of light on the subject as well, so you can actually see inside. Looks like someone might have been sleeping rough here. I feel sorry for that bugger. Is that ladder I was talking about? You've actually got back here. I'm guessing that's an outflow pipe. So I'm guessing there was a loo in here. And yeah, imagine. There's the inside.